Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. This is our evening time, drive time update for you. And we got a huge video for you. What everybody needs to do with their crypto ASAP, guys. You need to save like crazy. And, I'm going to tell you what you should do, to change your life in terms of financial freedom, and you could be retiring at 30 if you do these things right, guys. So you guys have to watch this video to the end. We got the alien in the house. We got the alien in the house. And hey, Dino is back. We're seeing that the crypto markets are going up, guys, and we're seeing that a lot of the short positions are formulating and accumulating, and that is why we're seeing Bitcoin going up, guys. So get ready to go down the crypto rabbit hole with the OG in the house, guys. So if you guys are excited, like I'm excited, and I'm so glad you guys are here. I'm absolutely so glad that you guys are out there watching this video. So if you guys are ready to find out what everybody needs to know to retire and save your money ASAP, get ready, because this is going to be a huge barn burner of a video, guys. So let's get it, guys. Let's dive right into it right now without any further delay. And do go back, absolutely do go back and watch my other videos. You're going to want it. I want you to want it, guys. So absolutely go and do that right now. So it's a great time to be alive. Now, we did have a video earlier today that was about Biden. Biden, has this executive order that's coming out pretty soon, or probably next week, and it's still a lot of in the airness. And he's going to hopefully appoint one person to have oversight on this whole crypto space, guys. So, guys, go back and watch all the videos, and don't forget to go down there, smash the likes like crazy, and show some love in the house. So let's take a look at the pre-markets before we get into what everybody needs to do with their crypto ASAP to retire at 30. So we're seeing right now that the Dow Jones is slightly up right now, and we're seeing the S&P is up as well, but the Nasdaq futures is slightly gingerly down, but that doesn't have me worried. We're seeing that we have a big announcement on Thursday. We have the CPI data coming out on Thursday, so you guys got to be watching that. You guys absolutely need to be watching that. And also Google strikes a $5.4 billion deal with cybersecurity mandate. So that is kind of interesting in the house that looks like Google is trying to beef up their security out there. So you guys should be pretty psyched about that. But we have the CPI data coming out on Thursday at 8:30 a.m. So guys, get ready to watch that and get ready to love that in the house. So if you take a look at the heat map and the alien and the Dino, we all love the heat map out there, and we're seeing that overall the crypto markets are looking pretty okay in the house, and we're seeing that things are going up. And one of the reasons that things are going up, and we're going to jump into that in a second, so you got to keep watching. I'm going to tell you why things are going up. We see that the fear and greed right now is at 21. It's gone down slightly from where it was yesterday, and that was because of the Ukraine-Russian talks did break down. We were hoping that we could get an absolute huge solution out there, but that didn't happen. So overall, that is what draw the markets down yesterday and earlier this morning. So because when I released my video early this morning, things were just kind of like red, green. They were just on the point of breaking out. So we're seeing that the fear and greed index is down slightly, but that doesn't really bother me too much. And we're seeing right now that one of the reasons that we're seeing Bitcoin going up right now is because of a couple things. And one of those things is that we had we can see right now that the total amount of wreckage out there, the leverage apes now, is 2.23 billion in the house. And you're kind of weird that, in 24 hours ago, most of this was, 53% longs. But if we look at the 12-hour time frame, we're seeing that most of it has now become short. And whenever you have short positions accumulate, you have a short squeeze, and that is why we're seeing the Bitcoin price going up right now. So Bitty right now is at $39,142. So once again, we're completely range bound in this range right here. So I'm looking down at it, and we're at 39.12, and we have 42,000. So we just are going range bound, going sideways. But I'm not worried. I'm absolutely not worried. We're seeing this whole correction is happening, and it's been happening for quite some time. So right now we're seeing that if we look at the daily on-chain exchange flow right now, we're seeing 892 million Bitcoin has gone in, 1.1 billion out, and the net flow flow has been about a negative 2.427 million. So we're still seeing that the net flow of crypto going off exchanges is still going off, which is good because it means that more people are hodling, more people are buying. So with Ethereum right now, we're seeing the opposite happening. We're seeing more Ethereum flowing back on exchanges right now, and we're seeing that the net flow is 6.6 million Ethereum has gone back on exchanges, and most of that has been retail. So I'm going to show you some data that shows that most of the Ethereum that has flowed back on exchange has been absolutely retail investors who are still panicking. I guess a lot of retail investors are kind of, just because nothing is happening for them, and a lot of the Debbie Downers, a lot of the weak Nancy's in the house, what they're doing is they're getting ready to sell, guys. They're getting ready to sell. They can't stand the heat. So if you can't stand the heat and you can't stand the crypto fire and can't stand the volatility, what you need to do is get out of there. So you and me, we can buy your coins. So, a lot of the weak Nancy's have absolutely blown their loads out there, blown their loads, and we're going to go swoop in and pick up your stuff, guys. So that is what's happening with that. So we're seeing that, overall the exchange flows are negative. More coins are flowing off exchanges vis-a-vis Bitcoin, so that is bullish in the house. So the top 10 mentioned coins on Twitter in the last hour has been, of course, BTC, XRP, Ethereum, ADA, Litecoin, Doge out there, and Digibyte. Every time I hear that, I get scared, guys. Solana, Shiba Inu, and Waves in the house, guys. So some other stuff that's coming in, we can see that BTC future traders now are mostly retail investors. So most of the people that are getting wrecked out there, most of the knuckleheads that are getting wrecked out there are absolutely the retail investors, and the average amount of Bitcoin deposit to derivative exchanges from other exchanges is still relatively small. So when we have these relatively small deposits on exchanges, it's retail. But when you have enough of small deposits, they do mount up over time, and we're seeing that most of the leverage traders that are out there who are getting wrecked are absolutely 100% in the house retail investors, because they're trying to make a quick buck and they never learn, guys. So this also in from Key Young in house update after 2 months. Too many retail investors on derivative exchanges could be a bearish signal. So typically, when the retail investor starts selling, this is often a very bearish indicator. But I'm still seeing that a lot of whales. But the good news is that the whales are still buying, and we still see a lot of whales are still buying between the 35 and 45K level lately. So that from my perspective, we're still seeing that, there's still a distribution. We had the accumulation, we had the distribution. And so what that means is, when I talk about distribution, is that a lot of the retailers have given up, they've sold, but the whales are coming in to swoop up their coins, guys. And we see that the range that they're picking up these coins is around about 35 to 45K in the house, guys. So that is okay. That's okay beans. And this is from Mustache in house. And he's saying that if we look at Ethereum in 2021 and compared to 17 to 18 and 21 to 22, we're seeing interesting both triangles are identical, and we could see a 278% breakout to the upside for Ethereum, and if that happens, that would take Ethereum up to $17,000, guys. So I'm still pretty bullish that I don't believe the top is in. I absolutely don't believe the top in. Some of the Bitcoin maxes saying, Daryl, you don't know what you're talking about. We're going to see Bitcoin, we're going to see the whole altcoin space absolutely collapse down like never before, and it's going to be a huge Debbie Downer. I don't believe that for a second. I absolutely do not believe that for a second. I'm seeing so much data out there that just points and indicates that things are going to be going up. I absolutely think things are going to be going up. We've been trading in this whole range for too long now, and we've seen this time and time again. Previously, back in July in 2021, and I believe that the momentum is there, and we're going to be breaking out to the upside, guys. I absolutely believe it. So as you guys all know, that Bitcoin is stuck under 40K, but BTC price hits another all-time high versus Russian ruble. So even though Russian ruble is just going down, 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 so all the Ruskies that bought crypto and bought Bitcoin only last week, that is good news, because what's happening is that's a hedge against their whole collapse of their ruble, guys. So I believe that this whole Ukrainian thing is going to be over soon, guys. So guys, comment, tell me the key keyword that I want you guys to comment is Ukraine. Ukraine conflict is over. Tell me when you think the Ukraine conflict is over. I'd love to hear your comments, guys. Comment. Keyword. Remember, when you comment, put Ukraine conflict is over, question mark, when, and tell me when you think the Ukraine conflict is over, because I think it's going to be over quicker than what people think, guys, because Putin can absolutely not continue with this whole Debbie Downer conflict in Ukraine. He's going to be, running out of cash soon, and I'm sure that the generals are going to turn on him. Guys, keep watching. We're going to talk about how you're going to get rich, with crypto and the things that you could be doing, the things that absolutely you could be doing. So if you look at Bitcoin price on this day, March 7th, compared to prior year, same day, we could see that last year we saw on the same day Bitcoin was at 51,000. We saw that in 2020 Bitcoin was at 8,900, guys. So just think about where we have gone and where we have come from. In 2018 it was at 9K, and right now we're trading at around about $39,000 in a house. So guys, just look at the future. Wendy Trendy is your friendly. We can still see things coming up, and I do not believe that the top is in. I still believe that we're going to get to all-time highs, guys. So this just in, this is from the root in the house and the HODL model, the liquid supply outpacing supply issuance. As liquid supply rises, so do the market impacts of Bitcoin digital scarcity. So what he's basically saying, and we've all been saying that, and a lot of people have been saying that, is despite the regulation, despite the war in Ukraine, despite all this negative FUD that's going on, we're still seeing that the supply of Bitcoin is going down, down. And we're seeing that illiquid supply is outpacing supply issuance, means that the supply on exchanges is going out faster than we're mining Bitcoin, guys. And it just means that Bitcoin's going to become more scarce, and at some point the price has to go up, guys. Absolutely has to go up, because this year in 2021 we saw more institutions ape in, and a lot of institutions did ape in. They bought off the OTC and they kept it a secret, guys, and that is absolutely true, and you're going to see that as 2022 unfolds, more and more of these institutions out there, they're going to start saying, yeah, we got Bitcoin on the balance sheet, we got Bitcoin, like PricewaterhouseCoopers. They just recently announced, only about a month ago, 60 days ago, that they do have a ton of Bitcoin on their balance sheet, and you're going to see more and more companies out there who are going to be saying that they have more Bitcoin on the balance sheet, guys. So let's talk about this. How can you become rich by investing in crypto? Well, one of the key things is there is no denying that cryptocurrency traders have become millionaires thanks to the successful investment. What's not often discussed is that a great number of people have lost significant sums. So remember out there that crypto is a zero-sum game. If you're going to be a winner, it's at the expense of the losers, guys. So from my perspective, the best way to get rich in crypto is very simple. Buy the sell-offs, guys, aka buy the dips. So when there's huge sell-offs, when there's huge fear out there, absolutely buy the fear. Buy the fear, guys. Remember, I didn't start off with a silver spoon. I started with mining. The OG started mining. I started to accumulate Bitcoin. I was a day trader way back when, guys, and I found that when I day traded, I spent a lot of effort, a lot of energy, and at the end of the day, I never made a lot of money. I made money, but I didn't make a ton of money, and I stressed myself out doing that. So what I did learn is I learned that dollar cost averaging, buy the sell-off. So when there's huge sell-off, buy, guys. Absolutely buy. Always keep a war chest of USDC or US stable coins on the sidelines to buy the dips, guys. So that is really one of the things that you want to be doing. The other things that you want to do is also, when you're investing in cryptos, invest with cryptos that have a purpose, serve some purpose. There's literally thousands and thousands of cryptos out there. You can trade, but many of them, if not most of them, do absolutely nothing. They're absolutely nothing. They're just cannon fodder, guys. They're rug pulls. They're absolutely useless out there. So that's why when you buy into crypto, look at the cryptocurrencies that actually do something. And what I like to do when I'm buying into stuff, I just look at the total value locked on chains, and I tend to stick with the top 10 chains, guys. And those are things like Ethereum, Luna, BSC, Avalanche, Phantom, Solana. Sure, Phantom's not doing good because we got Andre who left the chicken coop and kind of blow his load, and he just said, I'm not gonna be in crypto anymore. Who knows? It was Andre and Anton. I think those two decided to get married and go work for Putin. Like madness in the house. Join the crazy club. Join the Putin club. So guys, keyword craziness in the house, guys, comment. What has been the craziest thing that's happened to you in crypto since you've been in crypto and since you've been watching my channel? Guys, put it out there. Comment. The craziest thing that's happened to me. Comment, guys. I'd love to hear a comment, guys. Don't forget to go down and smash the likes. Subscribe, YB in-house. And don't forget to give a super chat, guys. Show some love, show some support. Remember, all the super chats, all the merchandise, all the membership, it all goes to charity, guys. And you can go back and watch all of our charity videos. It goes out. We give it all to the orphans. We build roofs. We feed them. We do all sorts of cool stuff, guys. And we pay for them to go on outings and stuff like that. So, guys, support the channel wherever you can. So, like I said, the most important thing is buy the cryptos that actually do something. And the best cryptos, and if you don't know what cryptos to buy, go to DeFi Llama, DeFiLlama.com, look at the chains, and just stick with the top 10 chains. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is what the OG is doing, so you may want to consider doing that. So that is what I do. Other stuff that you can do is, some people say day trade. Listen, this article says day trade. Guys and gals, don't do it. Do not do it. Do not do it. Do not day trade, and definitely do not leverage trade. I mean, just look, guys. In the past 24 hours, 66,109 traders. Right here, guys. I'm looking at right down there. It was 64,109 traders were liquidated, and the total liquidations are 223 million. So when you get wrecked, that money's gone. Remember, when you buy crypto on the spot exchange, remember, you still have the same amount of crypto that you had when you bought it. Sure, the price may go up or down, but remember, this is a waiting game, absolutely a waiting game. And if you wait long enough and dollar cost average and buy the sell-offs, like I said, buy the fear, guys, buy the fear and greed, and just hold. 2025 is not too far away. It's only like 2.5 years from now. Well, just over 2.5 years. That's when the next halving is in. So we saw that Bitcoin hit 70,000. That's going to be absolutely be nothing in the house when you compare it to where Bitcoin's going to be in 2025. So I'm not selling any of my Bitcoin. Sure, take profits. Absolutely, got to learn. Remember, the other way to get rich and save and get rich and life-changing wealth and retire at 30 with crypto is take your profits, guys and gals. Double HE hockey sticks. A lot of people freak me out because, they're like a 400% profit, but they never take the profit. You've got to take the profits. The OG always takes the profits at 200% and 400%. I take 50% of my coins out at 200%, and then the balance of 50%, I'll take around about 40% of that, leave 10% in case this thing moons and goes crazy, guys. And by the time you've sold by the time you're up at 200%, you've already taken 50% out. You've already taken your initial investment, and you've taken some profit. So all the rest of the coins that you're holding on your spot exchange, that's all house money. It's absolutely all house money. So even if it goes to zero, who cares? You still took out your original investment. Cool, and you also made some profit. So who cares, guys? It is best to be playing and trading with house money, guys. Never trade, guys. Absolutely never trade. So that is some of the things that you can do. Also, another thing that you can do if you want to become rich in crypto, I mean, it's not financial advice, is become a miner, guys. Start mining. I mean, you can mine Dogecoin, you can mine a whole ton of stuff, guys. So absolutely start mining, guys. So let's take a look at Bitcoin once again. So Bitcoin right now is at 39,142. It's just going sideways in the house. Let's take a look at the Doji Woja right now. So Doji Woja right now is at 11.94. It's just below. It's just been going sideways at 12 cents, guys. So that is kind of it is what it is. It's a Debbie Downer. If we look at the into the block information, let me just give a minty refresh, guys. Remember, comment, guys. Comment. Do you want to get rich in crypto? Keyword, do you want to get rich in crypto? Yes. Put that in a comment and tell me how you think you're going to get rich in crypto, and tell me if the OG's advice is good, bad, ugly, or you don't care and you don't know. So right now we're seeing that Dogecoin is up almost 1% right now, and it's at 11.91. We're seeing that 49% of the Dogecoin holders are in the money, 50% are out, and 1 are neutral. And right now the Dogecoin sentiment is mostly bearish right now. It is what it is. It's a sign of the times, guys. Absolutely the sign of the times. So from that perspective, let's take a look at the Shiba. Let's take a look at Ethereum, right? So right now Ethereum is doing pretty good. It is just gone above my 25.78 level, and it's at 26.06. So that is pretty good. It looks like we're picking up some momentum for Ethereum. And with the pre-markets looking pretty green, we could actually have a good green day. And we're going to see, as long as we see that there's more and more short positions getting wrecked, we're definitely going to be seeing the Bitcoin price going up. So that is cool beans in the house, guys. So let's take a look at Solana in the house. So Solana has also bounced off its support level right here at 80, and it's trading at $84. So it looks like we're a little bit of a comeback, and that is all mitigated because Bitcoin is going up. That's all it is. It's nothing wacky and wonderful out there. We're also seeing that right now that Phantom is also, it keeps bouncing off the support level of $1.33. And one of the reasons that we had this huge dumpage here yesterday was because we had we had that weak Nancy in the house who decided that he was going to leave crypto, he's going to leave DeFi, and him and Anton and the other guy, Andre, they decided to go work for Putin. Madness in the house, absolutely madness. If you think that was crazy, if you think I was stupid, comment right now. I'd love to hear where your comments are, guys. So with that being said, guys, let's take a look at the total market cap. Let me give this a minty refresh in the house, guys. So hopefully, some of the advice I have been giving you and have given you is going to help you to, create life-changing wealth, guys. And absolutely, you guys have to be tough out there. You have to have, be tough out there. Don't be weak, Nazis. Don't wet the bed, guys. So we're seeing that the total market cap right now is 1.76 trillion. So it's not too bad. We were lower than that yesterday. We're seeing the total volume is 58 billion. A little bit slow, but we're seeing the Bitcoin dollars is going up, and that's not good because that means most of the liquidity, most of the money and value in crypto is held. 46% of all the money on crypto is being held by Bitcoin. So that is why we're going to be seeing a lot of the Bitcoin's going to do a lot better than the altcoins. So, but I still believe that we're going to have a huge pumpage altcoin season coming in sometime late summer. We're going to see Bitcoin go to the moon sometime in summer. And don't forget, if you're the Doge Warrior lovers out there like me, part of the Doge army, we got Doge One. We got the Doge One mission to the moon, guys. That's still coming. We got the Ethereum bridge, got all that cool stuff coming up. So right now, Ethereum is at 25.52, and that's up 1.16%. We got BNB. BNB is up 4.3%. Wow, woo, and that's at 385 in the house. We've also got Luna is up 1.76%, and that's just because Bitcoin is up. Nothing special there. We've also got Solana's up 1.24% at 83. Nothing special there. That is only because Bitcoin is up. ADA. There's a whole ton of FUD yesterday that was spreading around about ADA. I'm not even going to talk about it. I'm not going to spread more FUD. Guys, comment. Keyword, ADA. What do you think about the FUD? Comment, what do you think about the ADA FUD? And we're seeing that also DOT is up as well. Doji Woji's, right now it's down slightly, but I'm not worried about it, guys. So with that being said, guys and gals, go and follow me on my Twitter. We got 4,084 people following Twitter. Guys, so if you love the OG, make a comment. I love the OG. Keyword, I love the OG because of this. Make a comment. Don't forget to go down there, smash the like, smash it. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to give super chats, guys. The Alien wants a super chat. The Dino wants a super. I mean, we do have the Debbie Downer Bear, guys. So show some love. Jeez, every time those guys get together, start fighting, guys. And don't forget to go down and check out all the linky winkies down below. And remember, none of this is fine. Look, it's right there. It's right there. You guys can see it. It's kind of like over in that direction, right? You can see it. This is not financial advice. And go over there, guys. Go over there and check out the links. Buy the channel a coffee. Become a Patreon member. And also do remember, go check out the OpenSea.io Digital Asian. Check out the NFT collection. Go check it out, guys. Click on the link, take you right there. You're gonna love it. And here, I'm very serious now. You guys have to go right over there. Click the link. The link is down there, and get on over and subscribe to the wife's channel, guys. Zen music. It's the best relaxing music out there. Get it, guys. You absolutely have to get this. You're gonna love it. I love it. And with that being said, guys and gals, don't forget to get the merch. Get the merch over there. Get it, and get the merch. Everybody wants the merch. Get the hat, get the mug, get the backpack, We got t-shirts and stuff. Get it. Get the cap. I tell you, when you wear that cap, when you wear the OG cap, I tell you, absolutely, you become smarter. I don't know what happened, but whenever I got a lot of members who buy the cap, they say, "Look, OG, when we get the cap, we get smarter." So So absolutely do it, guys. Absolutely do it. I want to say I love you guys. It's a great time to be. We got the whole family here. We got the Dino. We got the alien in the house. You guys are absolutely, I'm loving it. You're loving it. And God bless each and every one of you out there. Keep safe, guys. Absolutely keep safe. Remember, go out there. I'm going to keep smash the likes. I'm going to keep tapping. Smash those likes. Smash them. And subscribe. If you're watching it for the first time, subscribe. And also, keyword, you made it. Make a comment. Hashtag in the comment, I made it, and tell me why you watched this video to the end. I'd love to hear why you watched this video to the end. Smash the like. I'll see you next one. This is Ric Flair, the OG of crypto. Woo, in the house. I love it. You love it. Let's get it. Let's get it, guys.